So none of us want toxic ingredients in our house. We want the best for our family and ourselves. So I really challenge you to look at the ingredient list of your personal care, skincare, your products in your home, your cleaning products, and be a label reader. Maybe start with your bathroom or your kitchen. Think about these facts. Every day we put products on our skin, in our body, we breathe them in, and we don't even think about it. But be mindful now. Many of these products contain damaging chemicals. The average woman applies over 300 chemicals every day on her body, through soaps, makeup, shampoos, and hair care products. That's alarming. 80 of those products are applied before breakfast. Wow. Think about what you put on your kids, what they use. When you use Young Living essential oils, you're putting products on a product with one ingredient, like lemon, oregano, or tangerine. No synthetic additives and no yucky stuff. So, is this all a little bit overwhelming? Well, I hope it's not. Let me tell you how I got started on my oil journey, and there's no turning back. I got a Young Living starter kit. It comes like this in a box. It's the only item in Young Living that is over 50% off. This kit is valued at over $400, and it's only $165. You get a beautiful diffuser. It has 11 different colors, and one of them is a candle flicker, so if you like a candle, or even a no light mode, which I use at night. And you get this box full of 12 everyday oils. Believe me, these are the ones I order over and over again. I use every day. So if you are a frugal and want to be a healthy mama like me, this is the best bang for your buck. So I'm going to go through what's in here and a few uses for each oil. It's my favorite part. But right now I'm just going to show you what's in here, what it looks like. So you get there's 10 oils right here. On this side, it says Seed to Seal. See how pretty? And in this little pocket are some literature to help you get started, give you some information. When I open this up, you have 10 oils there and a nice little Velcro holder that you can sit on your counter or in your bathroom. I recommend putting this out so that you see them and are able to use them. Remember, just like with anything, consistency equals change, or consistency equals results. You can't eat a salad one day and be healthy the whole week. You can't exercise one time in the month and expect results. So here's all the oils. Oh, not all of them. That's 10 of them. Underneath, there's a secret compartment. And under here are two more oils and a few other goodies. The other goodies are Thieves Spray. This is like a disinfectant spray, perfect to keep in your purse to spray on shopping cart handles, public transportation, restaurant tables, light switches, door handles. And then we all love hand sanitizer, right? When we can't always wash our hands. And this is so soothing. It's a light peppermint smell. It feels so good on your hands. It doesn't have any fake bad stuff in it, fake fragrances. And then you get 2 packets of Ningxia Red, a superfood drink that tastes delicious and really boosts your immune system. It's all antioxidants in here, made out of the wolfberry from China, which is like a goji berry. And then 2 more oils down here. So let me just tell you the names of all the oils, and then in another video, I'll talk specifically about each one. Stress Away, it's a blend, and Peace and Calming. These 2 are favorites in our house. Another blend. You also get alternative caps to your essential oils. It's like a little rollerball top. So you can take off the other lid and put this on, and so you can directly apply it to your skin. Here's an example. I put mine on Valor and Stress Away, and I can just roll it on my skin. Most oils are fine to put directly on your skin, but always test first how sensitive your skin is and see the effects on putting it on directly. All right, so the best decision you can make is to get started with essential oils and a starter kit, because the other great thing is once you buy a starter kit, you get wholesale prices for life. You don't have to do anything else. That means 24% off. It's like your beginning. So here's, you start with your starter kit. You've got all your oils, your diffuser to start diffusing, and then you can order things online, ship right to you anytime, with great prices that are 24% off. The best deal, though, is to get onto Essential Rewards. It's a monthly auto ship program where you get points back, 10 to 25% back, and you can start swapping out your chemical-laden products for healthy, toxin-free ones. Skincare, pet care, cleaning products, makeup, shampoos, lotions, oils for kids, oils for men. It just covers everything you have in your home besides the paper products. So, again, you get Stress Away, Peace and Calming, Peppermint, Lemon, Thieves, Citrus Fresh, Digest, Frankincense, Lavender, Panaway, Valor, and Raven. I'm going to later go through all these and talk about practical uses for each oil, my favorite thing to do. So I'll see you soon, and let me help you. I would love to help you get started and support you step by step on slowly switching stuff out and getting a starter kit, and making this process not overwhelming at all, but easy.